Hi everyone. Okay, we're going to have a look through What Do I Know? The fabulous song by Ed Sheeran. And Mr. Powell, I think, likes himself as a bit of an Ed Sheeran fan in this recording because he sings it incredibly well. But there are a few tricky little bits, okay, and we're going to have a look at them. The vast majority of this song is dead easy to learn, okay? It's repetitive and it sits nicely in the voice. But there is one bit that needs a little bit of a look because it goes up into this top register, okay? And it's the bit that goes, I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene, okay? So after we've sung the first verse, we get to this bit that just goes a little bit higher. And it starts on this note. So I want you to put your hands on your tummy and go shh, 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 shh. Try that for me now. You should feel lots of movement going on in this tummy, okay? And that is absolutely right. So we're gonna go shh. Okay, try that for me and you should feel that tummy moving. This time we're going to go and if you can't do a try a or if you can roll your R's you can go whichever one works for you. And at that point we're just going to double check that everything is sitting right in the body. So keeping our back nice and straight. So if you're sitting down, sit up straight, pull that magic ribbon to make sure our spine is really stretched and tall. If you stood up, make sure that there's no tension in your knees and that your hips are really, really steady, okay? And that you're really planted on both feet. And at this point, we're gonna go, go straight through the middle of the note. And you should feel, if you've took the breath in properly, that this tummy is having a little bit of a squeeze to get onto that top note. So you're going to breathe in and go, ah. Okay, so let's try the rest of it. So, I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene. I know when I have children, they will know what it means, and I'll pass. Now, can you see that one has gone even higher than it did earlier on? And I'll pass. It's almost like somewhere over the rainbow. It's that idea, okay? So, and I'll pass. So we need to lift our eyebrows and our cheekbones and we're going to go over the top of this note. And I'll pass on these things my family's given to me. Just love and understanding, positivity, positivity. So it goes down and back up again. So let's try that whole section again. So remember, keeping the back straight, we're going to go over the top of these notes. We're going to think somewhere over the rainbow for that jump between those two notes to make sure that we're getting up onto that top one. And we're going to be really brave and just go for it. So here it is. I'll paint the picture, let me set the scene. I know when I have children, they will know what it means. And I'll pass on these things my family's given to me. Just love and understanding, positivity. And then we're back into, we could change this whole world with a piano. Now, it's a really relaxed song, so your main thing is to just chill out and have lots of fun. We could change this whole world with a piano, add a bass, some guitar, grab a beat, and away we go. And just be careful on that one, away we go, because it jumps up again, but comes back down. The main thing though, no tension in this voice at all, keeping it really, really relaxed. And the main thing, as always, is to have oodles of fun, okay? This is one of my favourite songs. Mr. Powell sings it brilliantly, but I know you can sing it even better. Enjoy.